Have you ever faced the frustration of an app not building properly after an update? It can be incredibly annoying, especially when you're on a deadline. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we are addressing the illegal configuration error in Xcode. I totally get it. You update your Xcode, and suddenly your project throws an error that seems to come out of nowhere. You're not alone in this. Many developers have encountered this issue, and it can really throw a wrench in your workflow. Here's the specific situation we're diving into. A user recently updated to Xcode 9 and encountered an illegal configuration error for some storyboards in their pod files. They even tried recreating the storyboard files, but that didn't help. Sound familiar? Let's work through this together. So, what does this illegal configuration error mean? It typically indicates that the project settings or storyboard files are not compatible with the version of Xcode you are using. This can happen after an update, especially if you're trying to compile for earlier versions of iOS. And stay tuned. I have a crucial tip at the end that can help you avoid this issue in the future. You won't want to miss it. To address the illegal configuration issue, the user should first check the deployment target settings in Xcode. This ensures that the project is compatible with the required iOS versions. Next, the user should verify the storyboard files in their pod dependencies. It's important to ensure that these files are not using features that are unsupported in earlier iOS versions. After that, the user can clean the build folder in Xcode. This helps to remove any cached data that might be causing the issue. Finally, the user should rebuild the project. This will apply all the changes made and help resolve the illegal configuration error. Fun fact, did you know that Xcode has been around since 2003? It's evolved a lot, but sometimes updates can lead to unexpected hiccups like this one. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user found a solution by adjusting the target settings for each XIB file. They went to the Target section, selected General, and changed the deployment info target. After cleaning the project and rebuilding it on the device, the issue was resolved. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. One user found a different solution. They opened the XIB file directly and changed the development target to iOS 10 and later. This adjustment resolved their build issues. Here's the tip I promised. Always back up your project before updating Xcode. This way, if something goes wrong, you can revert to a stable version without losing your progress. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the illegal configuration error and get back to building your app. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and remember to keep your projects backed up.